Hi guys, it's Vivi. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. So in today's video, as y'all can see, this is a boy journal. And this was kind of hard to come up with because there's not a lot of videos on like boy journals, but geared more for children. So I'm gonna do a flip through. Maybe it can help some of you guys out there. This is the second one I have created. In the past, I did create this one for my oldest son. He does journal, but I will not flip y'all through this because this is his personal journal. So this is the second one I have created. This one is for my friend Olga. She did request that I make one for her son. And I will go ahead and flip you guys through this cutie, so maybe y'all can have a little bit of inspiration. And like I said, not a lot of videos are geared for children, like towards like journals like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here in the front, I have just made this little journal plate that says journal for him. Super simple, kept it nice and short, sweet. This foundation of the journal was not created by me. This was created by Olga, and I just helped her, she just helped me get started on it, so by just creating this. So all of the lining that y'all see, she's picked out herself, and she wanted to go ahead and create something like Paper Terrace had on hers that was like a lapbook. So initially, I do think that she wanted the signatures to be on this end, but you can see she selected two different spines. So this spine, and then we have these ones that are about the same size. And I told her that I would only be able to fit in two signatures, all because the spine needed to have the pages expand because your journal eventually has a crocodile mouth. So that's why I did it the way that I did, as opposed to this way, because you can see it thins out towards here. So she put all these books together. I did not do that for her, but I think I just took it and ran with it. So this measures 6.5 by 9.5, and this end 2 3/4. This little guy opened, well, little, he's not little at all by any means. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, so here we have a little sliding spot here with a little cut apart piece of ephemera here for him that he can perhaps put a little picture there. And this flips out, or doesn't flip out, but if you turn it over, it has a little journaling spot with some water and coloring paper. So if he chooses to, he can maybe watercolor on here, maybe jot down something cool. And then on this side, I have created this cute little pocket, and it opens up just like so. And he can put something in there. And here is a little journaling card. Also has watercoloring paper, because I'm not quite sure what all he will be doing in his little journal, but he's got that in there. So just like I said, this is two signatures. So let's start out on this side, shall we? Alrighty, so here we have a little journaling card that he can maybe jot down a couple of stuff, maybe put a picture back here as well. This is a cute little pocket with some stitching all around it. I just took some scrapbook paper and glued it onto this here. And you can see kind of the Incredible Hulk peeking out through here a little bit. Here we have another journaling card and pocket. And also some more watercolor paper because I just like the sturdiness of it. And another little journaling spot here with a cute little television. I thought it went really cool with the cassettes, you know. If you flip over onto this side, he can maybe journal here, maybe put a little card or something, write about his adventure, and maybe put a picture there. Some math paper. And a lot of these pages do have stitching around the pages. I just think that adds a super cute little look. Some stickers he can utilize for when he journals. And here is a massive journaling card with lots of space for him to write on. Some more stickers. And here, I thought these were really cool. I got this book from a thrift shop, and I just love the aesthetic that it adds to the journal itself. And some more of this scrapbook paper stitched around. I saw Cara do that on her channel, and I thought that was such a good idea to mash 2 scrapbook papers together and stitch around. I thought that was so clever. So thank you, Cara, for the inspo. Some map pages, because I know that his family travels, and I thought that would be something super cool to add. And then here is a little jigsaw puzzle clip, and I think it's too cute to not incorporate in this little pocket here, like that, so he can maybe tuck something cute in there. There we go. Oops, did I do it wrong? I did. All right, tucks just like that. And then here is another cut apart, and it tucks in just like that. I thought this button added a cute little look to it, and I think this paper is so super neat. I don't even know what to call it, but I very much like it. Here we have another massive journaling card that he can journal on. I want to add like lots of journaling spaces for him, or places for him to draw, because that's something that I did notice with my son, that he likes to draw stuff and he likes to incorporate pictures and add stickers. So I thought that would be super nice for him as well, because they are the same age. Here's a cute little bookmark with the Green Lantern. And I know this is like Marvel and DC. So I know they're 2 different things, but this is just to make the journal come together nicely. So I hope no one gets offended, because I know some people will. And here's another little pocket, some more cut aparts, super spacious little pocket here, and even room for him to write on. I think this page here is so cute because of the gamer control. And here is some neat yellow paper. I think it just brightens it up so pretty. Some vintage music sheets. And I like to call these Frankenstein papers. I don't know why. That's what they look like to me. So I thought that was super neat. This flips out here, and we are at the center of the first signature. Look how neat. I don't know. I just find that to be so super cool. And maybe he can paper clip it here, or maybe transform it into a pocket. So that's super cool. Flipping y'all through here pretty fast. I like to keep it simple because I want him to use his imagination and just incorporate whatever it is that he wants, because I've seen that a lot in my sons as well. So just keeping it open for whatever. Here's this cute little sheet page where he can make cute little designs on here with these thumbprints and start a new pattern on this page. Don't even take your pen off once. So super interactive little page there. And then here is some ledger paper, math paper, and this is from October Afternoon with some of this ledger paper. So super nice. I love this paper. I wish I had more of it. I used the last of it on his journal. Here we have another little flip out here, and he can also transform this into a pocket if he likes to, or he can add pictures here, whatever he'd like. Some more map papers for travels, and some more of that cute scrapbooking paper. Some more of that rotation paper. This is a pocket up here as well, or a tuck spot, whatever you want to call it. And here is another pocket. His mom liked pockets, so I assumed he would like pockets as well. And that is the end of the first signature. Now let's move on to the second signature. So this also flips out this way. This is also a pocket here on the side, so he can put whatever he wants to put in there. So let's flip y'all up here to the front. So another of that Frankenstein paper, some chevron. This flips out. I did think the CD case would be so super cool to incorporate, and I put a little cut apart in there for him. And he can add whatever else he wants to, even maybe a cool picture from vacationing, who knows. And here is some more vintage music sheets. Some more of this paper here where he can document some more memories. Some map pages from the October Afternoon collection, I guess. and some scrapbooking paper. And then I did another little notebook here that I thought he would super like, and he can just maybe jot down friends' phone numbers, or maybe write down little notes, or maybe even take it to school to jot down some cute little stuff in there for himself, some notes perhaps. Yeah, I thought this was really cool, so I wanted to put that in there for him. Sorry. Let's see, there we go. And that is the end of that. And I thought this blue paper looked handmade, and I really like the look of it. So I went ahead and put that little guy in there. I hope I didn't just bend the scrapbook. All right, and some more writing spots for the little gentleman. Here is another little bookmark, and he can also journal on the back if he wants to. Some more cool of this page here. This is also from October afternoon. Absolutely love it. And then here is another little journaling spot that I've tucked in there. So you can put something else there just like that, or maybe draw a picture or something. This flips out just like that, or he can convert it again once into a little pocket, but I thought that was so super neat. I figured he would like that. And here's another little pocket and another little cut apart. Some more of that math paper and map paper. And here is a cute little tuck spot with Batman, Flash, Aquaman, and the Green Lantern. Some more of that watercoloring. Who knows if he wants to do some art for himself there. This is a great way for him to document as he's growing up and stuff. I'm even happy that my son does it. So I wish more kids would journal. I think it's so super nice to know like what they found funny at the time, or how they saw little stories happening, things like that. So here's another little bookmark with the Flash on there, doing his rescuing. Flip out through here. Another little pocket and a place where he can journal a thing or two. Boys will be boys. Another little interactive page here. Doodle more circles with patterns. And then on the back, decorate the t-shirts and add some more. And some little ephemera there for him. And here's another. Wait, did I just skip all kinds of pages? Yes, I did. Whoopsie. Another little journaling spot. Some cute little tags for him to utilize when he journals. And here's another little cut apart that we've put there for him. I feel like I don't embellish much, but I like for people to, I like the empty space and just be able to expand creativity. So that's why I keep them the way that they are. Here's some vellum, and here is a little ephemera card, plain card, and these stickers come from Terry. I thought that was so cute to add that on there. And here's another massive journaling card with this fun swirly paper clip. I don't know. I think it looks so super cute. And a picture of Batman, some more of that watercoloring paper. Another little flip out here, and or he can convert it into a pocket. Has some super cute little ribbon there, and that is the last page of this cute little journal, and I hope he likes it, and I hope that he gets to document all his memories and stuff as he's growing. And that was it, you guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed this flip through. I will catch you guys on the next one, and I hope y'all found some inspo here. If not, that's okay too. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.